Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer clean and decorate with me video specifically for my living room and kitchen. I recently did one for my bedroom and bathroom, but I also want to show you guys how I clean up and also have decorated my living room and kitchen area for the summer. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. As you guys can see, I am just cleaning up my sofa area, putting everything back where it's supposed to go, fluffing out the pillows, straightening up the throw blankets, and just fluffing everything out so that way everything looks nice and neat. I also decided to swap out my old cream pillow for this pillow that I got from Home Goods. It is textured. It is slightly lighter, a lighter cream color than my previous pillow, but I love this one because it is bigger and it is fluffier. The old one was kind of small and yeah, it was just too small and not as fluffy, and I wanted to really get just a bigger one that would make that little corner area pop. So yeah, I just added that cream pillow, and then I also have that blue textured pillow in front, and that is also from Home Goods. I think all my pillows are from Home Goods, so yeah, clearly I just go there when it comes to my pillows. Now, for my coffee table, I love it. The only thing is that because I have a toddler, there are fingerprints on it 24/7. So, cleaning off my coffee table is a daily task. And here I am just using the Everspring glass cleaner and a microfiber towel to wipe away Valerie's handprints. And then I also did decide to change my decor just a little bit. Nothing too dramatic, but I did want to add a pop of color to my coffee table, so you guys will see in a second. So as you guys saw, I kept the decor the same for the bottom shelf of my coffee table, but for the top, I swapped out my old vase and candle for this really pretty yet simple faux flower from Home Goods. I believe this one was $12.99, so not bad at all. And I just love how it brought the colors together and tied it in with the pillows from the sofa. So yeah, it's a simple fix, but I thought it was so cute and perfect for this time of the year. And then last but not least, I needed to go ahead and vacuum. I did already mop like just a few days ago, so there is no need for me to do that. But vacuuming is a daily task for me as well because with baby girl, I have Cheerios all the time, just everywhere, and just all kinds of other stuff. So yeah, I just want to get up any crumbs, any food, anything that may be on the floor, and that is about it. This is how my living room looks, y'all. I love, love, love the pop of color. Honestly, I don't typically go for this much color, but I wanted to change it up this year because I was honestly getting so bored with like just the neutral colors with the black, white, and tan. I was just over it, so I needed some color in my life, and it definitely keeps me inspired and just happy for this summer. So I really, really do love it. I hope you guys do as well. And let me know down below if you guys have any questions about where anything is from. I did do a whole, apartment tour where I told you guys where most of my big furniture is. But if you guys have any questions about any of my small decor that I did not mention in today's video, go ahead and comment it down below. All right, so on to the kitchen. I feel like my kitchen gets messy so fast because one, I feel like with my island, it's kind of where I store just so much of my stuff. Like whenever I come in the house from work or whenever Val gets home from school, it's kind of just where everything goes. So here I am just putting away all of like my grocery bags, putting stuff away. I have some cups and stuff still laying out. So pretty much just tidying everything up. And then I also need to put away all of my dishes that have been washed. I had some dishes in the dishwasher and also on the dish rack. So I'm just putting all those dishes up before I do anything else. So after I've put away all my dishes, I move on to cleaning off my counters, and I'm just using the Everspring all-purpose cleaner in the scent lavender. Smells so, so, so good. So I'm using the all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber towel, and I'm going to clean off my island, the counters behind me, as well as my kitchen table. Next up, I move on to vacuuming, and again, I'm using my cordless vacuum that I got from Amazon. The brand I believe is called Tynaco. I may not be pronouncing that correctly, but that is how it's spelled. So I'll go ahead and link it down below. But I really do love it. And it just makes cleaning up, especially if you clean up on a whim like every day. This just makes it super easy to grab it, spot clean certain areas, and then, go put it back up. So I really do love it. And here I am just vacuuming the rest of the kitchen area as well as the dining area. So you guys, that is it. That wraps up my summer cleaning and decorate with me video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. My house smells so good. It looks clean and neat, and it really does have color going on, which I do love for the summer. So I really hope you guys enjoy. I look forward to doing these videos again for fall and winter. So stay tuned for more home decor videos coming soon. Please, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys.